All right, my name is Tom with Boomi. Thank you guys for being here. I'd like to walk you through a quick high-level whiteboard of Boomi, our platform, and some of our key value propositions. First, who is Boomi? Boomi was founded in 2000, and by 2008, we released the first cloud-based single-instance multi-tenant architecture. By 2010, we were acquired by Dell. Currently, we process over 4 billion integration processes monthly, which leaves us about 40 times larger than our next closest cloud competitor. We have over 7,000 paying customers, and we're a consistent leader on the Gartner Magic Quadrant. So why has Boomi in the iPaaS market become so popular? For a few reasons. First is the explosion of innovative technologies such as cloud, mobile, API-based innovations, and the Internet of Things. Second is more and more businesses are requiring velocity and innovation to meet their business needs. But traditional solutions are neither fast nor agile enough. And the heavy cost and burden of deploying a code-centric on-prem solution is not allowing for business innovation. So what Boomi in the iPaaS market offers today are speed, agility, low cost, and innovation. But with all of our competitors offering the same key value propositions, the real question should revolve around how. If a vendor doesn't have the right architecture, then they're using old technology to solve modern problems, which really begs the question of how do they deliver on these key value propositions. A single instant multi-tenant architecture is key. We'll come back to this, but without it, many of these key value propositions would be difficult, if not impossible, to deliver on. If we look at our competitors on the Magic Quadrant, we'll see that those in the leader quadrant have a large customer base and the experience, but what they lack is a unified architecture. If we look at the challenger section of the Magic Quadrant, we'll see that the challengers they might have the right architecture, but what they lack is the experience and the product maturity. Only Boomi has the next generation architecture that allows us to sustain a fast innovation cycle and a large customer base. But this brings us back to the how. Boomi is a 100% cloud-based platform that allows users to develop and execute integrations, APIs, EDI, and master data management. Because it's 100% cloud-based, all a Boomi user needs is an internet connection and a browser to develop, deploy, and manage jobs. It's as simple as dragging a connector shape onto the Boomi canvas and assigning a username and password for target systems such as Salesforce, SAP, or a database. And this focus on configuration versus code is what has allowed Boomi customers to deliver 1/4 to 1/5 the speed and cost of traditional solutions. And given that the most cost associated with integration comes during the build phase, a reduction in speed equates to a reduction in cost. For example, say I'd like to integrate Salesforce